that number one. Just let y'all breathe on that one. Yeah. From that number one. I was raised in the slums, streets of the lean, niggas creeping, jeans fatigues, no sleeping and sleep with your mouth open. You hoping Lord open them doors and clouds open, and niggas still ready for war. Running heavy, got machetes and swords. Fuck around, you'll get sent to the Lord and sent to the morgue. These niggas bitches, so they sent for the law. They get sent the message, dispense your beverage. Born in the city with a singles chase. I'm not dying till my chips out the Pringle case. Now these bitches wanna mingle cause my single plays. I roll it over the radio, we is taking the ratio. He be shaking, so we replacing the baker dough. Now we making cake, making dough. I still got these vacant flows, it's real and niggas still hate me though. I keep it trim, $250,000 on a pinky roll. I told y'all will never take me alive, and y'all was staining y'all drawers since we arrived. So little niggas, you won't kill me never. Like we hustle for sandwiches, bread, cheese, lettuce. Now the Smithers need tools. Niggas need guidance, some bitches need rules. Mothers gotta hustle cause they children need food. Fuck it, that's a savage. Imagine packing the baggage. Instead we found crack and then we packed it in baggage. Came back in ransom, concealed it through the package. Yeah, when niggas give you the belt instead of cripple the help, son, I triple my wealth. Cocksucker. I'm from that number one fly, let's go. You niggas better know that I get dope. We from that know me man. T.O. Nigga, I get dope. I'm from that number one fly, let's go. You better know me, man.
Bear witness to the greatest. Can't beat us, join us, keep heaters on us with red lasers. Now fair warning, short shots won't graze ya. We hard corners, play blocks like gators. With bundles on and serve trades like waiters. It's the life we chose.